Now children, today let's start with chapter number 6, that is soil and their types. So in this chapter we will study about soil, which is an important natural resource, right? It gives us plants, provide us food and many other things. It makes our country very rich economy. So let's study about the different types of soil. So what is soil? ये loose particle of substances होते हैं, right, which form the uppermost layer of the earth crust, right? It consists of very small rock particles. Next is formation of soil. Soil formation is very slow process. It may take thousands of years to form a thick soil layer. It is formed by breaking of rocks and decayed organic matter, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, ह्यूमस कहते हैं. Water and wind also help in soil formation as they carry broken rock material and deposit at the various places. Right? So we can say the depth of soil varies from one place to another. Some soil may be deep, but some are very shallow. Right? So in countries, soil of northern plain and river delta is very fertile, but the soil of mountainous region is not so fertile. जबकि soil है, मतलब आपके mountainous region वाला जो soil है वो ज़्यादा fertile नहीं. Now let's study about the kinds of soil. First is alluvial soil, जो आपका northern plain में मिलता है. Running rivers carry highly fertile soil और वो उसको river bank पे deposit कर. Clay and sand constitute with high fertile alluvial soil. The soil best for growth of wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane, mustard and different pulses. Black soil, western part of southern plateau, made by lava is found. बहुत ज़्यादा fertile है. Cotton, beet, sugarcane are grown. Then we have mountainous soil. So coarse soil is found in many areas. Gravels and pieces of stone constitute soil. The soil is very favorable for growing different kinds of fruits. Right? Next is red soil, found over the Deccan Plateau except the northern western part. Iron ore is found, which is much in this soil. जिसकी वजह से कलर जो है रेड होता है. इसको हम लेटराइट सॉइल भी कहते हैं. राइट? इट इज नॉट टू मच फर्टाइल, ये ज्यादा फर्टाइल नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट इज सैंडी सॉइल, जो आपको ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट, थार डेजर्ट में मिलता है. ठीक है, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ फाइन पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सैंड. मिलेट्स आर ग्रोन, लाइक इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू कल्टिवेट इट. So erosion of sandy soil goes by the wind and crops like wheat, cotton, they can be grown on. Next is soil erosion. So there is a big problem of soil erosion in many parts, right? What happens? The carrying of soil from one place to another. भाई या तो पानी की वजह से या फिर विंड की वजह से उसको हम सॉइल इरोजन कहते हैं. डिफॉरेस्टेशन, ग्रेजिंग लाइवस्टॉक, ये भी एक अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट रीजन है सॉइल इरोजन. So during rainy season, the upper layer of the soil is carried away by water. It makes the soil less fertile. और soil कैसा हो जाता है? कम fertile हो जाता है. Now soil conservation. It can be checked by building dams across the river. ठीक है, आप dams बना लीजिए. ठीक है, growing much and more trees around the field, counter terrace farming, strip cropping. ये कुछ another ways है to conserve the soil. Next, rotation of crop, which helps in maintaining the soil fertility. Leguminous crop should be grown in rotation with other crop, which add fertility to the soil. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Leguminous crop कहते हैं. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.